Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 303. If we start with this box, we're missing a 3. For this row here, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 4 here makes this our 5, 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so 3, 8. Same here, 3, 8. 3 here, so 1, 8, 9. Same here, 1, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so 1, 7. 1 here, 4 here, so 7, 9. 1 here, 7 here, so 4, 9. 9 here, 7 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 1, 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 8, 9, and no help here, 1, 7, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 8. Got a 3 here and an 8 here, so 6, 7. 3, 6, and 8 here means this is our 7, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 7. We've got 1, 3, and 7 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 1, 3. 1 here, so 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. And with that 8, we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so 1, 3. 6 here, so 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, and 5 here, so this is our 6. And And if we look at that column, the only place our 5 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 4, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 4, 2 here, so 1, 4. So if we look, the only place the 2 can be in that row is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 3. That 3 makes this our 7, 4. That 4 makes this our 1, 3, 1. This 1 makes this our 4, 9, 7, 1. Let's do some cleanup here. With this 1 and 7, we can get rid of this 1 and 7 and this 1. All right, for this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 7, 4. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 1 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.